But will retailers benefit from a rush of demand from the consumer? We're joined now by BMO Capital Markets' Simeon Siegel. He specializes in retail and e-commerce. Simeon, thanks for joining us. I guess just to start off, let's set the table for what consumers are expecting and who could benefit here. On one hand, I could see consumers really clamoring for discounts because we're living in this era of very high inflation. On the other hand, because we're living in this very high inflation environment, I could see consumers not wanting to spend at all. So what's going to happen this year for Prime Day for spending for Amazon and other competing retailers?
Dun, dun, dun. I feel like we're outlining the next latest show out there. Courtney, I think you're totally right. I think the seesaw here is just this nonstop back and forth. I think what you and I know, so I think to set the table, I think what we know, the consumers will get deals. Whether that is good as a company, like I'm a retail analyst, but I'm also a consumer, or whether that is good for a consumer, I think will be the question you have to ask. But I mean, listen, we can see not only are you going to get the normal tech-related deals, but plenty of the companies you and I talk all the time about, the Gap, Victoria's Secret, I mean, they're showing up as being profiled for Prime deals. So I think we know they're going to come. I think to your point, the question is, will people spend? And I can tell you, earnings in this group generally ended about a month ago. People are still spending. You give them a reason to spend, and they are. And so I think that's this interesting dynamic that's there as well.
What do you make, though, on where we are in this world of promotions? It seems like for a while we were able to wean consumers off of needing a discount in order to buy. But now it seems like maybe they're creeping back in. Levi talking about price cuts. You've got this big event, obviously, that's now become annual with Prime Day and shoppers sort of waiting to buy at this time. What does that mean for margins going forward?
You know, it's the topic near and dear to both of our hearts. You and I talk about this a lot. I think that what the pandemic allowed for, right, there were a lot of those silver lining comments. And I think one of the ones that was there is that after a decade plus, since 2008, retailers gave up all of their pricing power. And in 3 months in 2020, they got it back. And so the question was going to be, who was going to hold on to that even if it meant selling less? Who was going to realize that price elasticity says you can make, more money if you focus on your price? And so I think the problem is it's much easier said than done, and I get that. And so a lot of retailers jumped into that promotional fray. And so you're absolutely right. I mean, that hurts margins. A couple of years ago, we saw the best gross margins we probably will ever see, because you got all that price given inventory scarcity. And now the question is, people are trying to make sure they don't have too much. Because this past quarter, we finally started seeing inventory get back in shape. But so I think what's happening now is the consumers regaining their power, which to your point is happening not because they want to, not because the consumer is doing well, but because they are suggesting that they need to. That's when you're going to see the real retail managements put to the test. That's when you're going to see who can say, I built a healthy business. I have healthy brand equity. I'm not just going to chase the 60% off sale to drive another unit. And it's hard to do. Most will fall into that game. But I think you're absolutely right. The ones that want to protect their margins will say, let's get through this and let's do healthy promotions, not reactive ones.